In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The continuation of Afghan airstrikes in south of Waziristan. Pakistani militias target civilians along the Dari line. And meeting between the Minister of Rural Rehabilitation and Development and the Governor of Parwan Province. Welcome to the news package. It's Monday, the 27th of Ramadan al-Mubarak, 1447, the 25th of Hud, 1404, and the 16th of March, 2026. The news details. The Air Force of the Minister of National Defense, in retaliation for last night's attacks on Kandahar city, carried out an airstrike on a special military compound of Pakistani Army in Wana, the area of South Waziristan. During the strike, the SSG Commandos building at Wana military camp, along with several other key facilities, was targeted. Reports indicate that as a result of the attack, a large portion of the command center of the important military base and a number of other installations were destroyed, inflicting heavy casualties and significant financial losses on Pakistani military forces. Mullah Hamdullah Fetrat, the deputy spokesperson of the Islamic Emirate, stated that within the past 24 hours, 4 civilians were martyred and 9 others injured as a result of mortar and artillery attacks carried out by Pakistani military regime on border areas in the provinces of Nuristan, Khus, Kunar, and Paktika. Based on the report, several residential houses were struck in the district of Alishir, Zazi Maidan, and Gurboz in Khus province, leaving a number of women and children among the wounded and martyred. Additionally, in Dari, the district of Kunar province, artillery shells struck a residential home, causing it to catch fire. The news continuation. With the participation of 30 teachers of modern sciences from schools in Herat province, a scientific research workshop titled The Connection Between Knowledge and Faith, the Role of Modern Sciences in the Development of the Future Generation, was organized by Urooj Research and Publications Administration. During the 2-day program, scholars exchanged views with participants on various academic topics and discussed the proper upbringing of the younger generation, awareness of the Islamic values, strengthening the link between knowledge and faith, and the role of modern sciences in the growth and dynamism of the country's future generation. Participants emphasized the importance of organizing such programs and described them as effective in enhancing teachers' knowledge and improving the educational development of the youth. It's worth noting that several other seminars and academic programs have also been organized by Urooj Research and Publications Administration for different scholarly groups across most provinces of the Western Zone. And ultimately, Mullah Abdul Latif Mansour, the Minister of Rural Rehabilitation and Development, met with Sheikh Aziz Rahman Mansour, the Governor of Parwan Province. During the meeting, the Governor raised the concerns and the needs of the people of the province and called for the implementation of additional projects in the areas of water supply and road construction. The Minister of Rural Rehabilitation and Development emphasized that by utilizing available resources and pursuing balanced development programs, necessary facilities and services would be provided for the people of Parwan. We have reached the end of our news program. Informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration are available on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.